Okay guys, another new product. So today we're going to fix and show you, so basically the new F65 has the neck, sorry.
No, 67 actually.
So obviously you've seen them where the arrow goes that way and across, etc. So we've got them for the F56 and they've just brought them out for the R56, so we're going to install them today, show you the app, etc. We've only got, was it 10 sets of the black in, which will sell out straight away, so do be quick if you want a set. And then we've got another load coming of the red ones and black ones. How long will they be, Lauren?
Probably a month or so.
So about a month away, so if you do want the first sets, obviously get in there quick. So as you all know how to do it, trim tools, get them on our website as well. Screwdriver, we sell those as well. So just unclip the surround. As you can see, this one's got chrome surrounds, which is very rare for us, being KillAllChrome. 3 screws. Bear with me while crunchy, that one. Can't remember on these. So, in the boot, access panel off. Sorry guys, we're struggling then. So clip at the bottom. That side's dead tight to get in, loads of stuff in the way, but basically there's a little clip there at the bottom that you've got to undo, and there's one at the top as well, but the bottom one just releases it. So undo the wiring, little tab on the side, get rid of that. So all plug and play, fit, LCI and pre-LCI, so basically on these, like on the other, you've got your switch on the bottom there, so obviously clear for reverse light, red for brake light, and then the other plugs are straightforward. Get that one in. Right, so we'll just get that one tightened up, and then we can do the other side. Get the trim tool. Same obviously on this side, trim off. So on the, wherever them back a bit, you've got LCI, so I think it's about, what year did you start?
10.
10. You won't need them if you've got pre-LCI, you do need the adapters in. Obviously we don't need them on this one with LCI, but they're just basically a plug and play glue with a little resistor on there. I feel like I need to be talking, but this side's easier, by the way. There's nothing in the way. Watch this now, I'll fail myself. Something like that. up. Still need little hands in there. Struggling again. Never had a problem with that. So you'll see here, just come here with your camera, Lauren. I was going to mention this before, I may as well put it in the video. So these clips here, they sort of turn as you're tightening them up. So when you're untightening them, make sure they don't go like that, because then they come out. And you can see there, if you look in there, previously they've obviously had one broken, it's still in there. But there's not actually anything up with it, so I don't know why. They probably just didn't know how to fit them back in. So basically, you square in the hole, and then you turn it down that way, and it locks the square, and that little tab there sits against your bodywork like that, just for reference. So second light in, and then we'll show you the magic. So if you do fit them, just for reference, you can do that from inside the boot anyway. So obviously once they're in, you can get your hand in there and switch that. Right, Jordan, if you want to turn your ignition on while I'm screwing these in, then we can go through the setup now. So there you can see, as soon as the ignition comes on, they do the demo, and they're obviously set in whichever mode they're set from the factory. And then what you get is, Jordan will show you on his phone, there's an app that comes with the lights. So you basically just scan that, download the app. There's the instructions, QR code. So basically download that QR code, go to your Bluetooth, connect Dream. So there'll be 2 units, one for each side, connect them to Dream, and then go back to your app like that. And then you can just check in your settings there, Dream, EO8 and 20. So they're both connected. And you just go to your style like that, change your mode, and the mode changes on the lights. So we'll go that one, and you've got mode 3. Back to mode 2. You got your arrow, and then mode 1, which I think is both. So that's like your full. So you've got mode 1 is full, mode 2 is the arrow, like that, and mode 3 is a T on the other side, which is like that. So there you go, guys, just show you the indicators as well. Which is just like that. So you've got like a bit more dynamic than the earlier ones, and more dynamic than the F56 as well. So we've got a better sweep with the individual blocks. You can get these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. Loads of fitting videos, etc. on our YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and like that. Until next time, it's all on tested, etc. We've convinced him to ditch the chrome, kill the chrome, so we don't want that anymore. And we're going to go for some gloss black ones, so much better. Look at that, what a transformation. And there we go, much better with the black trims on.
Our issues run so deep, now when I try to sleep, I feel so bad. I should leave, and by the time it's done